Hi there, CreativeSarah here. Do I have a fun tool for you? This is our Tassel tool. You are gonna see that on the Tassel tool, up on the top, that's our tie off, and this is our wrap. Those are the lengths from 3.5 to 6 inches of tassel length. I'm gonna take my yarn and wind it around the 4-inch size, and I'm gonna cut that off, and then I'm gonna use some jute and go up at the top. I'm gonna tie it off at the top. That's how I'm gonna add it to whatever I'm adding it to. And I'm gonna take a piece of yarn, wind it around the center, tie it off, and then those blend in as little tassels. And so this is gonna make the cutest addition to your garland, to your pillows, to anything that you need to make a tassel for. Look how cute, you guys. I'm just tying this off at a beaded garland that I have had, and I just wanted to add a little bit of green to it. You guys, so cute. Make sure you're following me for more decor.